down. Second down. Playoff pass to number 7, St. Davis, Radicals. Pass complete to Pimenta for another first down. First down. Pass intended for DJ. There's Pimenta trying to get outside. Stop ball. Incomplete. Fourth down.
Halfback option to Hampton. Switch the tapes as quick as I could.
Solid territory. There's Pimenta trying to get outside for about a 3-yard gain. Second down. We'll get to Sanguiche. Please report to Mr. Henderson and the boys' locker room. Mr. Sanguiche, please report to Mr. Henderson and the boys' locker room. First down, Raiders. There's Pimenta. We are all second. Second and about 5. There's the option and a second. That's called Pimenta. Trying to get outside. Out of bounds. First down, Raiders. In Scarlet territory. That's Pimenta. Outside for another first down. That's Pimenta again. They're going. That's Barry Morrison. Timeout. The Raiders. Third down. Third and about 4. Incomplete. Pass intended for Gary Morrison. That's Timmy Thompson back to kick. Play stopped by the Scarlets. Cut by number 10, Darrell Anderson. That's Grant, and it's a fumble. Inglewood recovers. That's Pimienta on the carry, trying to get outside. Gain of about 10. Pass intended for Pimienta. Broken up. Second down. That's Pimienta. Still going. Timmy Thompson on the keeper. Flag on the play. So it's a Pimienta. Fumble. Recovered by the Scarlets. That's David James. The Raiders will again play on the 43-yard line, their own 43. First down. That's Pimienta. Second and 6. There's Pimienta again. That's Hampton. Very close to a first down. Fourth down. Dead ball foul, illegal procedure against the Raiders. 4th and 7. Flag. There's Gary Morrison, off drop option, interception. Intercepted. Flag on the play.
boy decide to do? What up? Okay, all right. What your son decide to do?
Waited. That was Hampton. Stopped for short game. Thompson back to pass, line for Hampton. Broken up. Pass intended for Gary Morrison, broken up. Number 56. Fourth down coming up. But we can look forward to the return of Bone Crusher next week. Ladies and gentlemen, game time.